New Oxford Modern English Book, Class 4th, Chapter The Story of Eklavya. Question answers with complete explanation in Hindi. Words to know: archery, shooting with a bow and arrow. धनुर्विद्या के लिए आर्चरी बोला जाता है. कंपनी, बीइंग टुगेदर विथ अदर्स, दूसरों के साथ रहना. डिवोटेड, ड्यूटीफुल एंड फेथफुल, जो कर्तव्य अपना अच्छे से निभाता है उसको डिवोटेड बोला जाता है. इक्वल्स, पीपल हैविंग सेम राइट्स और रैंक इन सोसाइटी. इक्वल यानी समाज में एक जैसा, जिन लोगों को समाज ने एक जैसे अधिकार दिए रहते हैं उसके लिए बोलते हैं इक्वल्स. एक्सपर्ट, somebody with much knowledge about or skill and experience in a particular subject, किसी चीज़ में बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज होना. much knowledge about, skill and experience in a particular subject. favorite, most loved, जिसको बहुत पसंद किया जाता है. image, a picture of statue of somebody. Quiver, a long narrow case for holding arrows, जिसमें बाण रखे जाते हैं उसको क्यूअर बोलते हैं. Skillful, having skill, being able to do something well, कुछ अच्छे से कर पाना. Weapons, something designed to cause injury or hurt to an opponent or enemy. हथियारों के लिए weapons word यूज़ किया जाता है. Opposites, friend का उल्टा foe और enemy. Remember यानी याद करने का उल्टा forget, भूल जाना. Unpleasant का उल्टा pleasant. Young का उल्टा old. Poor का उल्टा rich. Sad का उल्टा happy. Hardest का उल्टा softest. Suddenly का उल्टा gradually. Sharp का उल्टा blunt. Comprehension, who was Drona's father? Bharadwaj was Drona's father. Did Drupad give Drona any work in his kingdom? No, Drupad did not give any work to Drona in his kingdom. What happened to the ball which the Kuru princes were playing with? The ball with which Kuru princes were playing with had fallen into an old well. How did Drona pull the ball out of the well? Drona picked some blades of grass from beside the well. द्रोणा ने कुछ घास की बड़ी डंडियां कुएं के पास से उठाई. Then he held up a blade of grass. उसे blade of grass ली and threw the grass straight as an arrow. और उस घास के लकड़ी को straight arrow के जैसे नीचे कुएं में फेंका. The blade of grass flew down the well and stuck into the ball. Then Drona sent a stream of grass down the well and each blade of grass stuck into the one below it, making a chain, and Drona took hold of the grass chain, pulled up the ball and gave it to the prince. Why did Eklavya throw himself at Drona's feet? Eklavya wanted to serve Drona and learn archery from him. He begged Drona to take him as his pupil. Eklavya जो है उसने आर्चरी द्रोणा के मूर्ति बना के स्टैचू से सीखा था और उसने द्रोणा को बेग्ड यानी उससे प्रार्थना की कि मुझे अपना एक विद्यार्थी, प्यूपिल मीन्स एक स्टूडेंट, एक विद्यार्थी करके स्वीकार कर लो. हाउ डिड एकलव्य लर्न आर्चरी? एकलव्य मेड अ क्ले image of Drona and prayed to it every day. He practiced day and night and became skillful in the art of bow and arrow. Why were the princes amazed when they saw the dog? The prince amazed when they saw the dog because each arrow pierced the dog's mouth without killing it and made a pattern of arrows which stopped the dog barking. What did Eklavya lay at Drona's feet? Eklavya laid his right thumb at Drona's feet. Difficult questions. Why do you think Drona asked Eklavya to cut off his right thumb? Drona wanted to keep his promise to Arjuna that he would help him to be the greatest archer. When did Drona feel both anger and sorrow? Why? Drona felt both anger and sorrow when King Drupad did not respect his friendship and failed to recognize his skill. Have you ever felt anger and sorrow at the same time, and when? Yes, I felt angry and sad at the same time when my best friend broke the promise she did. Reference to context. When he was traveling on road to Hastinapur, he met the Kuru prince who was traveling to Hastinapur. Drona was traveling to Hastinapur. Where had he just came from? He has come from King Drupad palace. What were Kuru princes doing when he met them? The Kuru prince were trying to get their ball out of the well. How did he help the Kuru princes? He sent a stream of grass down into the well. Each blade of grass stuck to the previous one and he was able to pull out the ball. Question number 2. Who do you think would have said the following? I will teach that dog not to bark at me. Answer: Eklavya. Yes, I made it out of clay. Answer: Eklavya. I hope he has not forgotten his promise to me. Answer: Arjuna. I am quite ready to give him whatever he asks. Answer: Eklavya. Look how the arrows have gone into the mouth. Answered Kuru princes. Divide the following into subject and predicate. My father climbed a very high mountain yesterday. My father subject and remaining climbed a very high mountain yesterday. Predicate. My sister went with him along although it was snowing. My sister subject went with him although it was snowing. Predicate. My father slipped on a rock and hurt his ankle. My father subject slipped on a rock and hurt his ankle. Predicate. My sister subject and bound up the ankle with a piece of cloth is predicate. She subject helped my father to come down the mountain. Predicate. Our family subject was very glad to see them again. Predicate. Match the following. This is the man who met me on the road. This is the map which helped me find the cave. This is the path which he told me to take. This is the story. I know you will not believe. This is the wicked serpent which lived at the mouth of the cave. This is the skin of the serpent which I brought back to show you. Find the subject and predicate in the following. Old building, temples and mosques. Subject are to be found all over India. Predicate. The man who lives next door. Subject. Is my grandfather. Predicate. My father and mother and both my brothers. Subject. Will attend the wedding. Predicate. She. Subject. Does not live with her she does not live with her. Predicate, and S is family. Family is subject. Anil and Dilip. Subject. Wrote to Arun last week. Predicate. The mangoes and guavas. Subject. Had become ripe. Predicate.